futuristic pull and full power. This intelligent pure electric sedan, Dongfeng S7, is redefining your traveling experience. Face value, performance, space, intelligent, it has everything you want. Dongfeng S7 adopts the design inspiration of futuristic aesthetics with severe lines, through lighting bands, and fluid body proportions, revealing a sense of the future at every angle. Hidden door handles and low wind resistance wheels are not only design, but also performance optimization considerations. Step into the car, minimalist center console, dual screen design, intelligent voice system, let you enter the digital cockpit in a second. 28-20mm long wheelbase brings spacious riding space, panoramic sunroof, heated seats, rear air conditioning vents. Every place is a thoughtful consideration. It is the first intelligent sedan for young people and can also be the ideal traveling partner for families. Dongfeng S7 provides over 600 kilometers CLTC range to meet your commuting needs for a week without recharging. The triple electric system has been fully optimized, combining high-density batteries with intelligent energy management for true efficiency, reliability, and stability. In fast charging mode, it only takes 30 minutes to charge up to 80%, which makes traveling more free. The Dongfeng S7 is now available in an REEV, range extended electric vehicle version, offering extended range to eliminate your range anxiety. Behind every Dongfeng S7 is the intelligent manufacturing strength of Dongfeng Liuzhou Motor's modernized factory. From body and white welding to final vehicle calibration, every production stage undergoes meticulous control. We combine cutting-edge technology with artisan craftsmanship to build a truly reliable, China-engineered pure electric sedan. Technology, space, driving control, safety, Dongfeng S7, with hardcore strength to interpret the future of pure electric sedan model. Contact us today to experience the future of mobility for yourself.